Good morning. By 2 minutes, 11:58. So, as you've seen, Tom's been turning over the soil, chopping it up. I'm bringing it in, taking it steady, as you all know. And then we are now just going to jet wash down, put resin in, we've joint it, and then gravel around the edges and start taking muck away tonight. And then tomorrow morning, soil up a little bit more, turf. Just got a quote from soil place down here, £75 a tonne. Absolutely not. Palmer Nurseries, Rodley, Carveley, Leeds, whatever they come under. £36, and it's a good tonne. It's just thrown on. It's not it's a tonne. You know what I mean? It's thrown on. So yeah, so we'll just bring some in the morning. But yeah, nice steady day. Half day tomorrow, and then we're starting our bonus job tomorrow afternoon. So bonus job, working bloody weekend for it. But yeah, sunny again. I think it's 18 today, or 17 today it is. It's getting hot. It's getting hot. I want to move to Spain. I won't even be able to handle it. Can't even walk to the shop, can you, without sweating? So, but yeah, anyway, less of me whittering on. Let's crack on. What products do you guys use for resin in between the Indian? I use joint it. Basically, I feel like it's a bigger tub, goes further for its money, and I've never had any callbacks really. But yeah, proper. I think they all do it, to be fair, but proper promotes like the colours in it and stuff like that. Let me spin you around. Obviously, this is out sun, so this is still wet, but look at detail there. This is how it's being done up here. I'm just going to give it a brush off because it always leaves a crumb on it. And these guys have got a dog, so what I tend to do is ask them not to come on, not to let the dog come on the patio this evening. Leave it till tomorrow till it dries. Just because it's a silicone, it's like a glue and a silicone and whatnot, and you don't want to get it in between his paws and infect it out like that. So he'll be watching this a day later. So. Hopefully he doesn't do it. I'll remember to tell him anyway. But yeah, this was 70 square metres and we used 5 tubs. That's 200 quid. We've just got one more tub down there, which I thought we would. It's normally 1.5 a pallet and we had 5 pallets, so really we won one tub short. But we've got so many half tubs in yard. Went through them all, obviously submerged them in water, but the heat and the cold and the heat and the cold and the heat and the cold, solid. Buckets are just bloody solid, like a brick, you know what I mean? But that I'd have done that, but that's what it is, isn't it? I think you can only leave them submerged in water for 2 weeks, so we've left them about 2 bloody months, 6 months, you know what I mean? So, but yeah, it's a quick sweep off now. Tidy up round front. Tom's already shoveling about. Sorry, I was getting notifications. My S&P 500's just gone. Woof, just lost. In fact, Mr. Trump just lost a load of money, but keep paying in. You're planting seeds, aren't you? Anyway, lesser finance details. Mr. Trump, my pension. So anyway, we are sweeping this off, cleaning up round the front. We're going to leave at 3:30 because I'm off to Manchester. So yeah, back's killing. Back is still killing. Yesterday I were on phone to one at Next customers, and I lent on. We've got a Nissan van, same as a Renault van, and bonnet's are right high, and I lent on bonnet, and it proper killed my back, and it just clicked like click, 3 places, and it worked. And I was like, oh my god, I can move, but now it's just aching. I feel like my right lat's on fire because it's holding up that side of it or whatever it's doing. But we've got chiropractor in the morning, 8 till 8:15, 7:45 till 8, something like that. I can't remember. Never could. Crap with time. But yeah, chiropractor in the morning, and then literally turfing, getting last at crap off site, and then obviously it's a Friday. We're starting a new job Friday afternoon. So, got to keep going, but bloody aching. I am aching. So, I'll catch you soon. Let's give this one last sweep down, and I'll check back in shortly. So guys, I'm back home with my lovely sausage dog and my legend of a Springer. 2 years old, 9 years old. She's the boss, apparently. Yeah, so tomorrow, easy day, turfing, stepping, gone for 12 o'clock because we need to get to the bonus job at the weekend. We need to get to the bonus job at the weekend, so we're going to start Friday afternoon rather than have another day. But yeah, catch you tomorrow, 8 o'clock sharp.